I've always liked to play with fire.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off Come On by World Class Fireworks. It's a 500 gram banger. There is angles on there, so hopefully I can get the angles on video. But this is what the performance reads if you guys want to pause the video. And this is what the tube layout looks like. Pretty decent size too. So like I said, there is angle, so hopefully I can get the angles on video. But anyways, let's demo off Come On now. Or Come On, sorry, by World Class Fireworks. All right, guys, here goes Come On by World Class Fireworks, 500 gram. Come On by World Class. Gotta get way back here. Very short but sweet, but great mine effects.